Okay. Does anyone from you had an idea what is a sequence? Meron sa inyo? Do you know how to, do you have some idea kung ano ibig sabihin ng sequence, or maybe you can describe them? Ano yung sequence? Pagka sinabi nating sequence, ano yung nasa isip nyo? Anyone? Pag
Ma'am.
sinabi nating, yes?
Ma'am, pag ang nasa isip ko po pag sinabi po ang sequence is pagkakasunod-sunod po.
Oh, okay, very good. Yung pagkakasunod-sunod niya. Okay, yun yung isa sa description na thank you very much, Denise. How about the others? So, yung description ni Denise, yung pagkakasunod-sunod niya, no? Yung pagkakasunod-sunod niya. Very good. Okay, how about the others? How will you describe a sequence? Ano yung unang nasa isip niyo pagka sinabing sequence?
Ma'am,
Yes, May.
ma'am, set of things,
Okay, set of things.
numbers or events.
Oo. So, you are describing it as set of things, numbers, or events. Okay, so dinidescribe niya. So, it is in a set. Parang ganun yung description mo naman for the sequence. Okay? So, tignan na natin, ano? Thank you very much for cooperating. Can you see it now? Can you see it now on your screen?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Ito yung sa module ninyo. Ang module ko kasi na ginagamit is yung compendium na. Although yung binibigay kasi sa inyo is per week. So, ito yung first module ninyo. Hindi, punta na tayo, direct to the point na tayo, dun sa mismong pag-uusapan natin, which is the sequence. Kasi dun sa discussion, dun sa module na yan, marami pang pasikot-sikot. Ang kailangan natin matapos agad natin yung module, okay? So, ito naman ang importante, malaman ninyo kung ano yung sequence. Yun sinabi dito, set of objects, katulad ng sinabi ni May, no? Set of objects, set of number, set of events, no? Ang idadagdag lang natin doon is, it is listed in a specific order. Yun yung sinabi naman ni Denise, yung pagkakasunod-sunod, no? It is a set of objects which is listed in a specific order. So, set of objects, numbers, and ano ba yung sinabi ni May kanina, and events. Okay? So, yun yung check natin doon. Tapos, i-combine natin yung sinabi ni Denise na yung pagkakasunod-sunod, no, in specific order. Pero since we are dealing with math, let's define this more simpler, no? But this time, it involves number. So, take note, a sequence, it is a set. Okay? So, lagay natin to, ganun pa rin, it is a set. Instead of putting objects, let's put real numbers. Okay? So, a sequence is actually a set of real numbers that is formed according to a certain logical order, no? Yun nga, that is listed in a specific order. Okay, so yung numbers na yon in a sequence, they follow a definite pattern. Okay, so para malaman nyo kung paano yung pagkakasunod-sunod, meron siyang pattern, no? So dito sa math, ang pag-usapan natin, set of real numbers. Kasi itong pagka sinabi nating set of objects, in general na siya eh. Objects, events, and so on and so forth, in general na siya. Usually, ginagamit to para malaman kung paano yung logic reasoning mo. Yung merong mga objects na i-describe doon, and dapat alamin mo kung ano yung susunod, yung something like that. Okay, so, sa math naman, pag-usapan natin yung pagkakasunod-sunod ng number, yung order ng number, yung pattern niya. kung paano siya nagkakasunod-sunod. Okay? So, pwede siyang maging finite. Pagka sinabing finite, merong ending, no? Nabibilang. Or infinite. Infinite, syempre, walang katapusan to. Hindi mo kayang bilangin. No? So, ang example ng finite na sequence, you have the days of the week. So, ito yung set of, sabihin na nating events. Katulad ng sinabi nga ni May kanina, set of objects, events, and, ano pa ba isa? And so on and so forth. So, ito naman, days of the week. We have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and so on hanggang Saturday. So, this is finite dahil 7 lang naman ng days sa isang week, no? Pero lang kung mag-imbento ka ng mga days na na aabot siya ng hindi mo na mabibilang. So, that is impossible. Siyempre, yung days of the week is only 7 days. So, it is finite. And then we have here, meron siyang instruction, the first 10 positive perfect squares. Okay? So, the first 10 positive perfect squares. So, yung una, yung 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, and so on and so forth. So, sa first 10 positive, so we have here, eto, kung bibilangin mo, hanggang 10 lang. Pagka lumagpas ka sa 10, then hindi mo na finalo yung instruction dito. Okay? So, yung infinite naman, obviously, alam nyo na kung ano ibig sabihin nito. Ito yung hindi mo kayang bilangin. Katulad nito, counting numbers. A set of counting numbers that is 1 to infinite. And then, pwede rin yung multiples of 5. Pero na lang, kung lalagyan mo siya ng certain condition, like for example, multiples of 5 less than 100. Okay? So, kung multiples of 5 less than 100, hindi mo isasama yung 100. No? Kasi less than dapat sa 100. So, ano yung kasunod ng less than sa 100? We have 95. Okay? So, 95, 90, and so on and so forth. No? So, yun, magiging finite siya. Pero kung ang pagkaka-instruction mismo is sinabi lang multiples of 5, then it is infinite. So, madali lang tandaan no? Infinite and infinite. Finite and infinite. Anyway, mas more ako doon sa special skills na dapat ninyong ma-acquire, no? Hindi ako masyadong particular sa mga meaning or hindi ako nagpapamemorize ng mga definition. Ang gusto ko lang maintindihan ninyong mabuti. Maintindihan niyo lang, no? Hindi niyo kailangang memorizein yung mga definition nito as long as naintindihan niyo anong ibig sabihin. Anyway, so sometimes pattern in the sequence can be obtained, sabi dito sa module ninyo. Okay? Using a general term. Okay? Yung general term na yun yung tinatawag nating A sub n. Okay? A sub n. So, yung term in a sequence is denoted by A sub n. Okay? So, where n, okay, let's see here. A sub n. So, it is denoted by the term in a sequence is denoted by this, A sub n. Where your n, yung n mo, ito yung nagde-define ng order of the term, no? So n defines the order of the term. So, ito yung general term. Can you hear me clearly?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
okay, sabihin nyo lang kung medyo, although ni-record ko naman to, so kung medyo nalalabuan kayo, you can watch the video later. Okay, so, yun. Ito, yung defines the order of the term. For example, you have multiples of 2. Okay, the first 10 multiples of 2. So, we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, and so on and so forth hanggang 10 sabi, di ba? 10 multiples of 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, hanggang 20 siya. Kasi yung 20 yung pang 10. So, yung first term, ito yung A sub 1 mo. A sub 1. No? Which is equal to 2. Wherein, ito yung sinasabi natin yung order ng term. Ito yung first term. Ito yung n. Diba? 1. This is the first term. Kasi nakalagay nga A sub 1. Where your n, yung n mo is 1. Kaya first term siya. No? Yung pangalawa, syempre, yun na yung A sub 2. And then yung pangatlo, A sub 3 and so on and so forth. Okay? So, etong pang 10, ito naman yung A sub 10. Yun yung order ng sequence. Kaya yun yung sinasabi nila na okay? So, sabi dito, sometimes the patterns in the sequence can be obtained and the sequence can be written using a general term. No? So, yun nga yung sinasabi natin ito. Okay? Where A sub n is called the general or the nth term. Okay, let's have an example. And then later on, we're going to have some exercise here. I want you to master doing this. But, syempre, kailangan malaman ninyo yung mga examples muna kung paano na-acquire. Okay? Finding several terms in a sequence given the general terms. So, okay, example number 1. You have to find the first 4 terms. Yung 4 na 4 terms, siyempre, magsisimula ka sa 1. So, yung n mo, yung first term is 1. Yung n mo din is 2. So, hanggang 4. No? So, 4 yung n mo dito. Kukunin natin yung first term, second term, third term, and fourth term. Sabi kasi dito, first 4 terms of the sequence. Now, ito yung sinasabi nating pattern. Ito yung gagamitin mong guide, no? Yung pattern na yan yung parang pinaka-guide mo no? So, since it is given here, na ito yung sequence niya, so to find the first term, so let n be equal to 1. So, all you have to do is substitute. As you can see, nakalagay dito, A sub n, okay, is equal to 2 times n. 2n means 2 times n. So, you're going to multiply the n to 2 and then subtract it to 1. Okay, so ano ulit yung n? Kung ano yung pang ilang term ang inaano mo. So, kung pang first term, ito yon, substitute lang natin yung n as 1. So, a sub 1 is equal to 2 times yung n, syempre yung first term, so that is 1. And then minus 1. So, 2 times 1 is 2, minus 1, it's 1. So, a sub 1 therefore is equal to 1. Ngayon, sa a sub 2 naman, so tapos ka na dun sa first term, punta ka naman dun sa wherein your n is equal to 2 or yung second term. So all you have to do is just simply substitute, no, that n is equal to 2 in using this guide. So kung a sub 2 naman siya, so yung a sub 2 mo would be equal to 2 times, syempre yung n mo which is 2. And then minus 1. So, follow lang ito. Ang kailangan lang i-substitute mo lang dun sa hinahanap mong term. Okay? So, a sub 2 therefore is equal to 2 times 2 is 4 minus 1, that is 3. So, a sub 2 therefore is equal to 3. And so on and so forth. As you can see, dito yung n sub 3 naman. Ito. So, meron kang 5. Sa a sub 4 naman, yung pang 4th term, we have 7. Okay. Any question so far?
None, ma'am.
None. So, malinaw yun, all you have to do is just substitute, no? Kung ano yung ina-ask, for example, the first 4 terms, pagka sinabi namang first 5 terms, syempre, i-include mo na rin yung ang n mo is equal to 5. Okay? Now, another example here, example number 2. Find the 5th to 8 terms. So, mag-start kang hanapin yung 5th hanggang 8 terms. So, you have to read very carefully of the question. In terms of the sequence, ito yung gagamitin mo. Okay? So, since b is equal to, you have here a -1, nakaparenthesis siya. Tapos, ito yung n mo, kung ano yung term. Okay. Kung mag-i-start ka ng fifth, no? So, gagamitin mo ito 5. So, mangyayari niyan, b sub 5, katulad nito, b sub 5, yung -1, so you have to put -1, and then yung exponent niya must be yung n mo, which is 5. And then over n plus 1. Since yung n mo is 5, so we have 5 plus 1. Kitang-kita ninyo?
Yes po, ma'am.
Naintindihan niya? Okay, so, sabi ko nga, just simply substitute. Okay, ngayon, ang problema, yung n mo is expressed as an exponent here. And negative yung number. Isn't it kapag ka negative yung number, any number that is negative, kung even numbers to, like for example, yung exponent mo, even numbers 2, na-take up na natin to last year. I'm sure natatandaan pa ng iba. Kapag ka even numbers, you are getting the square root or the fourth root, o kung yung exponent mo is even numbers and the number is in negative, it will become positive. No? So, magiging 1 yan. Ngayon, kung ang -1 mo naman, at ang exponent mo is odd number, such as 3, 5, 7, 9, odd number. No? Odd number means yung mga hindi divisible by 2. Then, the answer would be negative. Why? Kasi kung tignan mo kung -5, -1 raised to 5, we have -1 times -1, multiply mo siya 5 times -1 times -1. 'Di ba ganyan yan? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We multiply -1 5 times. Ngayon, negative times negative, it becomes positive. Kasi if you are multiplying two numbers with like signs, magiging positive. Okay, multiply din natin to, magiging positive. Okay, and then positive times positive, positive. Kaya lang, itong positive, imumultiply mo naman ngayon dito sa negative. So, this becomes negative. Okay, so, para madali, tandaan mo lang, pagka-odd numbers yung exponent, nung negative number na nire-raise mo doon, the result is always negative. Kaya dito, naging -1 siya. And then over 6 because 5 plus 1 is 6. So, therefore, b sub 5 o yung fifth term is -1/6. Okay, take note, kung nasa 6th term na tayo, even number naman yung exponent kasi ito naman yung magiging exponent dito. Kung napapansin niyo naging positive na siya dito. Diba? So, that's why, yung pang 6th term is a positive number. Pagdating naman sa 7th term, naging negative uli siya kasi yung magiging exponent niya dito is odd number again. No? So, maging negative naman siya. Pagdating dito, magiging positive na naman siya. No? So, any questions so far? Dito sa example na to? Do you have any question?
Wala po.
Are
Wala
you sure?
po.
Naintindihan niyo mabuti?
Yes po.
Okay. We have here, I'm going to give you some, wait. Is this, okay. Okay, no? I want you to give me the first 3 terms of the following sequences defined by the general term a sub n. No? Ito yung magiging pattern niya. Okay? Letter A sub n is equal to 2 times n minus 3. Okay? So, I want you to give me the first 3 terms. No? Sabihin nyo lang sa akin yung answer. Ano yung first term, second term, and third term. No? First 3 terms. I want you to give me your answer. i-ano lang sa akin, as usual, PPM nyo lang sa akin dun sa cellphone ko, no? And then, para malaman ko kung sino yung mga nakasagot na. I'm going to give you a minute. Just a minute. Madali lang naman yan. Okay? Can you do it now? Okay, si Chris may sagot na agad. Very good, Chris. Chris Lawrence. Okay, very good, Chris. Okay, pagka hindi ko na tawag yung pangalan nyo, that means may kailangan ninyong reviewin yung answer nyo, no? So, ang tatawagin ko lang yung may mga tamang sagot. Thank you very much, Chris. Okay, si May Andres, wait. Reviewin mo yung last one. Yung last term. Yung first and second term mo, tama, May. Yung pangatlo ang tignan mong mabuti. So, dalawa pa lang ang nakasagot. Okay, very good, May. May and Chris Lawrence pa lang ang nakasagot. Okay. Explain natin sa kanila. So, ang A sub 1 mo would be 2 times, since ang n mo is 1, so 1 minus 3. No? So, we have here 2 times, what is 1 minus 3? That is negative 2. So, we have A sub 1 is negative 4. Okay? Yung A sub 1 mo. Ngayon, kung A sub 2 naman, so yung n mo, papalitan mo naman ng 2, no? So, yung A sub 2 mo, ang papalitan mo naman, so we have 2 times, yung n mo, magiging 2 naman. 2 minus 3. And what is 2 minus 3? That is negative 1. And negative 1 times 2, that is negative 2. So, your A sub 2, therefore, is A sub 2. Ay, negative 2, no? Yan. Okay, so yung A sub 3, yung last, syempre, that is 2 times, yung n mo, magiging 3. So, 3 minus 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. 0 times 2 is 0. Okay, so A sub 3 therefore is 0. Okay. Malinaw na sa iba? Is it clear now? Dun sa iba? Na hindi
Opo,
nakasagot agad?
Yes po, ma'am.
Opo.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so magbibigay ulit ako na isa pa ha. Gusto ko kasi ma-master nyo to no? Hindi ako titigil hanggat hindi nyo ma-master to. Okay, magbigay tayo ng isa pa. Ganun din, the first three terms pa rin, no? But this time, your A sub n is equal to negative 1. Okay, may example ako ng ganito ha. Yung negative number, i-erase mo sa n. No? So, depende ulit yan kung odd or even numbers to. And then, times 2n over 3. Okay? So, yan yung ganun pa rin. I-PM nyo lang sa akin yung sagot nyo. Okay, pwede nyo i-ano sa picture na lang, no? Kung okay. Pinicturean ni Nicole kanina. Yung kanina pala to yung sagot niya. Okay, pwedeng picturean nyo yung inyong solution. And then send nyo sa akin. Anyway, kahit hindi nyo ako friend, pwede pa rin naman siya, pwede ko pa rin namang ma-receive. So, ano yung first three terms? Nauna na naman si Chris. Yung second answer mo, Chris. Can you please review your answer? May, very good May, kaya lang yung third answer mo, pwede mo naman siyang i-ano. Tama din yung third answer mo, kaya lang hindi siya naka-lowest term. Yes, Chris, yung second answer mo, yun yung kailangan mong reviewin. Yung second term. Yes, May. Pero negative dapat yan. Don't forget the sign. All correct ka na, May. Bakit dalawa lang yata yung ano? How about the others? Gusto nyo magtawag ako mamaya? Okay, mamaya magtatawag ako ha. Kasi, para malaman ko kung naintindihan nyo. Kasi si Chris tsaka si May lang so far, katulad ng kanina, sila rin yung ano eh. Okay, Sander, very good. Parehas kayo ni May, no? Dun sa third term. I-ano nyo na yan. I-simplest form na. Ano bang simplest form ng third term nyo? Okay, Chris, tama na yung second ano mo. Very good. So, tatlo pa lang tong nag-try, no? Okay, i-explain na natin. Kausapin ko muna kayo, no? Meron ako ditong ginagamit na blackboard, no? Ngayon, i-send ko to sa GC natin, and then i-upload ninyo. I-download ninyo pala, sorry. I-download ninyo sa, kung computer ginagamit nyo, download nyo sa computer nyo. And then you can open it using Microsoft Edge. Ngayon, kapag meron akong ipaparecite sa inyo, and I want you to show your solution to me, you can use that one. Okay? We're going to use it in the future lang, no? So, yung isa-send ko sa GC natin, i-download ninyo yun sa computer ninyo. And also, kung maski sa cellphone, pwede din naman eh. Kung cellphone ang gamit nyo or ibang gadget, no? I-download lang ninyo para pagka magpapa-explain ako sa inyo ng solution, pwedeng dun yun na mismo gamitin nyo. Okay po? So, explain natin to ngayon. Ipapa-explain ko sana eh, kaya lang wala pa kayong ganito eh. Papa-explain ko sana sa isa sa inyo, maaaring kay Chris, kay Sander, or kay May. Sila yung mga tatlong nakasagot agad, no? So, since wala pa kayong blackboard ng sarili ninyo, ako na lang muna mag-explain, no? So, first 3 terms ulit. So, umpisan ulit natin sa A sub 1. Where yung n mo is equal to 1, no? Kasi first term eh. So, all you have to do is substitute now. We have negative 1 raised to 1. Yung n mo is 1 eh. And then, 2 times 1. Dahil ito, diba? Your n is 1. So, as you can see, this is negative 1. Kasi nga naman, raised to the first power, odd number. And then, 2 times 1 is 2. So, we have negative 2. Kaya lang, meron pang over 3. So, lagay natin dito 3. So, that is negative 2 over 3. So, A sub 1, therefore, yung first term mo is negative 2 over 3. Nakalimutan ko, meron pa palang over 3 dito. Ngayon, kung A sub 2 naman, syempre, 2 naman ang gagamitin nyo. So, we have here negative 1. Ang n mo would be 2. And then 2 times yung n mo, which is 2 over 3. No? So, this becomes positive dahil yung exponent niya is even. So, that is 1. Times, 2 times 2 is 4. So, that is 1 times 4 over 3. And what is 1 times 4 over 3? That is 4 over 3. So that is your second term. Okay po? Malinaw na? Malinaw na kung paano nakuha yon? Ngayon, yung a sub 3, yung pang third term naman, okay, so it is equal to, meron kang negative 1 dyan, raised to n, and then times 2n. Since a sub 3, pang third term, palitan natin, substitute na natin ngayon yung n as 3. So, gawin natin 3 yung mga n na yan. So, ito 3 raised to 3 and then multiply ito sa 3. And then over 3. Okay? Makikita mo may 3 dito, may 3 dito. So, pwede mo na i-cancel yan. No? So, ito na lang matitira. Negative 1 to the third power, syempre negative siya kasi yung exponent is an odd number. So, negative 1 yan. Times 2. So, we have negative 2. Okay po? Okay po? Malinaw na? Okay, this time magtatawag ako, no? Don't worry, madali lang yung papagawa ko. Okay? This time, madali lang. Dun sa tatawagin ko, swerte nyo dahil madali lang, no? So, magtatawag ako. Ngayon, kung kaya nyo sagutan nyo na, pero hindi ko kayo tatawagin, ano? Ang tatawagin ko kung sino yung makita kong pangalan dito. Anyway, so eto, a sub n is equal to, sabi ko nga sa inyo, madali lang gagawin ko 3n minus 1. Okay? I want you to determine the first, the fifth, and the seventh. Okay? I want you to get the first, the fifth, and the seventh term. Using this one. Napakasimple lang nito. Okay? Using that one. Okay, magtatawag na ako, no? So, I'm going to give you, since madali lang naman yan, a sub n is equal to 3n minus 1. Madali nyo na lang bibigyan ko kayo 1 minute and then magtatawag na ako. Okay? Solve nyo muna. Ano yung first term, ano yung fifth term, and ano yung seventh term. And then, magtatawag ako mamaya. Okay? Let me see. Doon muna tayo sa mga lalaki. No? Can you please tell me your answer? Lawrence Seraon.
Ma'am,
Yes.
yung first term po, 2 po. Tapos
Very
yung
good.
fifth term po,
Fifth term
yung fifth term po, 14 po.
and
Seventh term po, 20.
very good. Very good. Lawrence. I hope na tama din yung iba. No? So, yung first term is 2. Ang fifth term is 14. At yung seventh term is 20. Tama rin ba yung ginawa nyo?
Yes,
Apa.
ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
very good. Okay. So, how about this one? Isa pa. Ganun din yung first term, yung first then, yung fifth, tsaka yung seventh. No? Pero ito yung pattern niya. A sub n is equal to n plus 2 over n squared. Okay? So, ito naman ngayon yung gagamitin ninyo. Kunin nyo rin yung first, fifth, and seventh term. Okay? Once again, lahat kayo, pakisagot, and then magtatawag ako. Tapos na yung lalaki, sa babae naman ako magtatawag ngayon. Although, magtatawag din ako sa lalaki, baka mamaya, porque sinabi kong babae tatawagin ko, hindi kayo gagawa. Kung merong hindi makasagot sa babae, sa lalaki rin ako magtatawag. Okay, finish? Finish na ba? Let me see. From Hazel Faye. Hazel Faye. Hazel Faye, andyan ka pa ba?
Hello po.
Yes, Hazel. Ikaw yung
Yung
naatasan ko na sabihin yung sagot.
yung first term po 3/1 po.
Okay, 3 over 1 or 3. Okay? Very good.
Opo.
Second term?
Yung fifth term po
Fifth term
7/10
pala?
po.
Ano na?
7/10. Over 10.
7 over 10? Okay, let's check on that. Let's see. Yung fifth mo, yung pang fifth mo, sabi mo, 7 over 10. Okay, how about the third term? Ay, seventh term pala.
10/49 po.
10 over 49. Okay, do you have any answer? Merong ibang answer? Yung iba, tawag
Ma'am,
ulit ako sa
ma'am.
lalaki, Tawag ako sa lalaki. We have, how about you, RJ?
Oh my gosh.
Ma'am, yung first term po, 3.
Yes, 3,
Tapos-
tama.
Yung 7 over 25 po.
Okay, 7 over 25 yung kay RJ. And then yung seventh term,
9 over 49.
9 over 49. Okay. Hazel, tignan natin we're going to
Yes,
substitute
ma'am.
now. Ito gagawin nating 5. So magiging 5 plus 2. Siyempre nga naman 7 over 5 squared. What is 5 squared? 5 squared means 5 times 5. So this is 7
25 po.
over 25. Ang ginawa mo siguro, plinas mo kaya naging 10. No? So 5 times 5 square means 5 times 5. Hindi siya 2 times 5. Yan yung misconception minsan na ginagawa yung 2 times 5 yung exponent, no? Now, so 7 over 25. Thank you very much, RJ. So, yung 9 over 49 tsaka 10 over 49, obviously, ang tama is yung 9 over 49, no? Because this is 7 plus 2, that is 9, hindi 10. Okay? Did you realize your mistake? Okay lang yung magkamali, Hazel. Huwag kang ma-disappoint.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay lang yun kasi, syempre, pinagmamadali ko kayo. Anyway, kapag ka nag-quiz naman kayo, do-double check nyo naman yung mga sagot nyo bago nyo i-pass, di ba? So, okay lang yon as long as you won't fall on the same mistakes also, no? Okay, another one. Bago kayo mag-break, no? Bibigyan ko kayo syempre ng break. Kawawa naman kayo. Ayoko nang dire-diretso yung ano. So, eto naman. Ganun din, ano? First term, fifth term, and seventh term. But this time, your A sub n is equal to negative 1. Yan na naman, ano? Mahilig ako kay negative 1. Kasi mas madaling anuhin siya. Kahit anong exponent mo dito, madali lang siya, no? So, we have here n plus 1. Tapos times n plus 2. Okay? So, give me the first term, fifth term, and the seventh term. Using this one. So, babae ulit kasi ang nakasagot kanina ng ano is yung lalaki, si RJ. Sino ba yung tinawag ko kaninang lalaki before si Hazel?
Ma'am, ako po.
Ah, wait. Lawrence, no? Hindi ko
Opo.
kasi nalagyan ng ano, hindi ko nalagyan ng mark. Sorry. Okay, meron ng sagot sa babae ulit ako magtatanong, ano? Let me see. How about you, Jasmine Baniket? May sagot ka na,
Yeah.
Jasmine? Andiyan ba
Yes
si
po.
Jasmine?
Yes
Je-
po.
yes, okay. What is your answer? First term.
Yung first term po is 6.
6. Yung fifth term,
Fifth term po is 42.
14.
42 po.
42. Okay. Tignan natin. And then yung seventh term,
72 po.
72. Okay. Sinong may ibang answer? Ito yung kay Jasmine. Sa lalaki. Magtatawag ako ngayon sa lalaki. Um, uh, sino ba pwede kong tawagin? Konti lang pala ng mga lalaki. No? June. June Lozano. Andiyan ka?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, may sagot ka na?
Opo.
Ano yung sagot mo sa first term?
3 po.
3. Second term?
7.
7. And the third term?
9 po.
Third term, seventh term, 9. Okay. So, tignan natin, ano? Kung sinong may tama. May tama ka, di ba? Okay. So, ito yung gagawin natin. We have negative 1. Yung sa first term, we have, yung magiging exponent niya is, yung n mo is 1 plus 1 times, yung n mo is 1, kasi first term nga, plus 2. Okay? So, negative 1 raised to the second power, magiging positive. So, magiging 1 times 1 plus 2 is 3. So, what is 1 times 3? That is 3. So, tama si June. No? Tama yung sagot niya. Nakita mo yung mistake mo, Jasmine?
Yes po.
Okay. Now, yung fifth naman, gagawin nating 5 to. Magiging negative 1 yan. Tapos, 5 yung n mo. So, we have 5 plus 1. Okay? And then times, yung n is 5. Kasi fifth term nga, plus 2. Okay. So what is 5 plus 1? That is 6. So, even number. Kung even number siya, magiging positive to. So, magiging positive 1 times 5 plus 2 is 7. That is why the answer is 7. So, tama ulit si June. Okay, nakita mo? Siguro naman marirealize mo, Jasmine, no, kung saan ka nagkamali, kung bakit ito yung naging sagot mo.
Yes po, ma'am.
Okay.
Mali.
It's good. Okay, at least nakikita nyo yung mali nyo. Yun lang naman ang purpose ko. Kaya don't worry, don't be disappointed kung nagkakamali kayo. And then, syempre, to lastly, alam nyo na, positive pa rin kasi syempre 7 plus 1 magiging even numbers na naman, positive pa rin yung ano dito, tapos ipa-plus lang yung 7 tapos plus 2 kaya naging 9. Okay po? Okay? So any more question? Violent reaction? Wala na? So I want you to copy this one. At least may mga example kayong to guide you. Kung meron kayong notebook, di i-ano nyo sa notebook nyo. Okay? Readable ba? Pinaliit ko? Ba't nabalik? Na-rotate siya. Okay. Readable? Okay, and then after that, you're going to have a break at 2 o'clock. So you can have your break at 2 o'clock hanggang 2:15. Okay? So you can be back at 2:15. So I'm going to give you chance to copy this one and then mag-break na kayo. You can relax now. Okay po?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am.